Everyone, my name is Delene and today I want to do a video on one of my Pradas. I think it's just a captivating piece. I was just happening to be walking by through the mall, and this piece over here definitely is glamorous, and it just stood out. So let me show it to you. Now don't be shy, you need to come out. Here you go. It is my Prada Nero Quilted crossbody purse. It is in the color begonia. It's like a bubblegum color to me, as you can see. It is definitely a looker, as you can see. It just stands out. It was calling my name out. I love the quilting on this purse, and as you can see, Prada. Isn't that pretty? And it's got silver hardware. And what I like about this purse is that it's got leather on the strap, so if you're wearing sleeveless or off the shoulder clothing, the chain is not going to hurt you or bother you, because I know a lot of people wear chain purses and it does bother them. I know it would bother me. Now this strap is not adjustable, but I can see that it is removable. Okay, as you can see. On the zipper here, it says Prada. How pretty is that? And the inside is exactly the same color as the outside. And there's one pocket right here. And on there, it says Paris, or Prada, made in Italy. Sorry. There you go. Now how pretty is that? Now let me show you what it looks like on. Okay, here we go. Let me turn my camera a little bit. There you go. This is what it looks like on my shoulders. Here's my waist. I'm 5'2". You can see where it hits me. Let me show you how it looks crossbody. It's my waist. There you go. I mainly wear it crossbody. I just think it's so much cuter that way and easier for me. So there. You can see that. And my outfit for the day, this dress I got at Express in the winter. So maybe November. I think it's a pretty dress. Love Express. And there you go. Let me show you what fits into this lovely purse. It reminds me of a Barbie purse, don't you think? The color of it. And I think that's one of the reasons why it attracted me. Okay. Here is my zippy coin wallet. Okay. I wish this can fit into every purse, but it doesn't. It does fit in here, but it takes up a lot of space. Let me see if I can fit my phone. Okay, there you go. So all that fits into my purse. Let me see what it looks like zipped up. There you go. I wouldn't carry all this though. I would definitely carry a smaller wallet if I carry my small purses. For instance, I would be carrying my Chanel card holder. Okay. My key clay, this is what I would be carrying. My 6-ring key holder. And then my phone. And I think everything fits in there just fine with some room. And I'm going to carry what every girl needs, a lipstick. So let me go ahead and stick that in there. And then my sunglasses. It's in the soft case, so it can fit into little purses. As you can see, it's right there at the top. So if I need it, I just pull it right out. And it closes, so it does fit with no problem at all. Now the sunglasses would mainly be on top of my head, so, or on my face. So there you go. Now this purse is 7" in length, 4.5 in height, and 2.5 in depth, as you can see there. And the hardware is just wonderful. I love that. So as you can see there, I think it's so dollish, don't you think? I think it's so pretty. Now I have another Prada purse that I will definitely be doing a review on. It's also pink as well. Pink is just my favorite color. It's been my favorite color since I was a little girl. Now I looked on YouTube and I was trying to find this purse on there, and I could not find a review on there about this purse. Now somebody had posted the 10 most popular purses for 2018 or 17, and this was on there, but they've listed 10 other purses, so Prada purses, and I didn't see anybody that owned it. I don't understand why. I think this purse is definitely captivating, especially the color. So if you guys have any questions about this purse, let me know. I would definitely be able to answer you since I have it. And I would love for you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my video, because I definitely have a lot more videos that I would like to do. And I also want to thank the subscribers that I do have for supporting me. And like I said, I do have a lot more videos, so hoping you guys look forward to it. Well, anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and see you another time. Thanks.